Are you excited?
Yeah. Look at werewolf cat! Okay, definitely will. Okay, guys, if you want to get an Aphmau plushie, a werewolf Aphmau plushie, like this one, make sure you have all the tags. This tag and this tag. If you want to get the real one. And here, this part is not white. Okay?
Oh, are you happy?
Yes! Okay, come here, come here. Let me guys show you how, look at the cats. A skeleton cat, ghost cat, werewolf cat, pumpkin cat, and zombie cat.
Super cool.
Yeah. What is this thing?
Oh, you saw. That's like a little bow tie.
Guys, smell. Come here and smell it.
Oh, yeah, it smells cool.
You guys should smell it.
Smells cool. Which one do you want to get next?
I want to get skeleton cat. Peace out.